Let's unbox the Donner Hush X electric guitar.
The Donner Hush X is a headless electric guitar. It is a hollow body design guitar with detachable frames, making it light and portable. The gig bag has two pockets, one for the guitar and one for the accessories. It comes with a tuner, a bag of picks and Allen keys, a pair of in-ear monitors which look premium and sleek. There's also a cable, a cleaning cloth, an instruction manual, a strap for the guitar and another strap for the gig bag. The IEMs can be used with the Hush X as a headphone jack is provided in the guitar, and it also features a locking nut so that the strings don't get out of tune over time. I love how the guitar's looks come out with the sunburst body shade and the frames. Also, the tuning pegs are located on the body of the guitar. It took me a while to understand how the locking mechanism for the frames works, but after locking in, they were pretty sturdy.